So you put your rechargeable batteries in your rechargeable pack and you're like, okay, good. And then all of a sudden your charger starts freaking out and you're wondering, well, what's that mean? And that little light means there's something wrong with your battery. So don't start taking apart your recharger and trying to fix it, because your recharger is fine. It's just your batteries are hooped. Like mine were outside in a solar light, and I think, you know, they probably got wet. Anyway, so I'm just going to take out one at a time and put different ones in. And so I took the trashed batteries out, put these other rechargeables in that are dead. See if it works now. Well, okay. Those are newer. They're only like a year old. We'll see if it charges it up. I put the crap batteries back in on the right side just to make sure. And yep, these are crap batteries. But this side is good. Okay, now it's halfway charged. So I just put my rechargeable batteries on this side so everybody realizes it's not the charger's fault. It all works. Both sides work. It's got good batteries in it now that aren't trashed. Just wait for them to be fully charged. So don't start taking your battery pack, recharger pack apart, because that's not the problem. Your bad batteries are the problem. Anyway, see if this works. Halfway there. I grabbed a couple more batteries from solar lights that were out in the yard, and oh, they're all charging up. Gonna have at least 4 good lights. And she's green. Yahoo! If you want to buy this exact battery charger, I'll put the link below and you can buy it at Amazon. It's like 30 bucks or something. It's amazing. Link below. And please give me a comment about what you're dealing with your batteries. Have a good day.